Subtype discriminator is an attribute of a supertype whose values determine the target subtype or subtypes. In this example, a new attribute employee type has been added to supertype to serve as subtype discriminator. When a new employee is added to the supertype, this attribute is coded with one of three values: H, hourly employee; S, salary employee; and C, consultant. Depending on this code, the instance is then assigned to the appropriate subtype. Relation is a named two-dimensional table of data. Each relational table consists of a set of named columns and an arbitrary number of unnamed rows. Every relation must have a primary key. A primary key is an attribute or a combination of attributes that uniquely identifies each row in a relation. For example, the primary key for the relation customer is customer ID. Notice that this attribute is underlined. Foreign key is an attribute in a relation that serves as the primary key of another relation in the same database. For example, customer ID in the relation order is a foreign key. Notice this attribute is dotted underline. Composite key is a primary key that consists of more than one attribute. For example, the primary key for relation order line would likely consist of combination of order ID and product ID. Next, entity integrity rule is a rule that states that no primary key attribute or component of a primary key attribute may be null. There's two things. No primary key attribute may be null, or all primary key fields must have data. Referential integrity constraints is a rule that states that either each foreign key value must match a primary key value in another relation or foreign key value must be null. In this example, the drawn via arrows from dependent to parent table are referential integrity. Here is an example. Here also an example. And here is an example.